Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Ella.
Hi, Ella. Hello, everyone. I'm Leo. It's so nice to be here again.
It's great to see you, Leo. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I feel happy today. And you?
I'm happy too. I had my coffee this morning, so I feel great.
Ah, coffee. You love coffee.
Yes, I do. And today's lesson is all about everyday English. We'll talk about greetings, feelings, work, daily life, food, clothes, colors, and more.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, but don't worry, we'll go slow. Easy English, step by step. Let's begin with greetings. Leo, how do you say hello in English?
Hello.
Very good. You can also say hi.
Hello? Hi.
Great. Now listen and repeat, dear listeners. Say it with us. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Wonderful. Now in the morning, we say good morning.
Good morning.
In the afternoon, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
In the evening, good evening.
Good evening.
And when it's time to go to bed, good night.
Good night.
Excellent. Now let's make a small dialogue. I'll say hello to you. Good morning, Leo.
Good morning, Ella. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too.
Great job. Remember, how are you is a very common question, and we answer, I'm fine, I'm good, or I'm okay.
I'm okay. I'm good. I'm fine.
Perfect. Now let's talk about emotions, how we feel. Leo, how do you feel today?
I feel happy.
That's nice. Sometimes we feel sad, tired, angry, or excited.
Happy, sad, tired, angry, excited.
Very good. Let's practice together, friends. Repeat after us. I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
I feel angry.
I feel angry.
I feel excited.
I feel excited.
Wonderful. Leo, when do you feel tired?
I feel tired at night.
Yes, after a long day. And when do you feel happy?
I feel happy when I eat pizza.
Me too. Pizza makes many people happy. Now, let's learn some work words. Leo, what do you do?
I'm a student.
Great. I'm a teacher.
Student. Teacher.
Yes. Other jobs are doctor, nurse, driver, cook, waiter, and police officer.
Doctor. Nurse. Driver. Cook. Waiter. Police officer.
Excellent. Now, let's practice small sentences. I am a teacher.
I am a student.
She is a nurse.
He is a driver.
Perfect. Now, where do you work or study?
I study at school.
And I work at a school. So we both go to school.
Yes, that's true.
Now, let's talk about daily life, what we do every day. Leo, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast.
Great. Wake up, brush teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast. Very good daily actions.
Then I go to school.
Perfect. What do you do in the afternoon?
I do my homework. I play football.
Nice. And what do you do in the evening?
I eat dinner and watch TV.
Excellent. Then what?
I go to bed.
Perfect daily routine. Let's repeat together for our listeners. I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I do homework.
I do homework.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Fantastic. You're doing great. Now, let's talk about food and drinks. Leo, what do you like to eat?
I like rice and chicken.
Yum. I like bread and coffee.
You really like coffee, right?
Yes. Okay, let's practice some food words. Rice, bread, soup, fruit, salad, pizza, water, coffee, tea, milk.
Rice, bread, soup, fruit, salad, pizza, water, coffee, tea, milk.
Excellent. Now let's make sentences. I eat rice.
I drink water.
I like pizza.
I like tea.
Wonderful. Now let's do a quick practice for our listeners. I'll say the food, and you say if you eat or drink it. Ready?
Ready.
Coffee,
I drink coffee.
rice,
I eat rice.
water,
I drink water.
pizza.
I eat pizza.
Excellent. You and our listeners did great. Now let's go shopping. Leo, do you like shopping?
Sometimes I like to buy clothes.
Nice. What color do you like?
I like blue.
I like red. Okay, let's learn some colors. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, brown, pink.
Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, brown, pink.
Excellent. Now some clothes words. Dress, shoes, hat, jacket.
Shirt, dress, shoes, hat, jacket.
Wonderful. Let's make small sentences. I have a red shirt.
I have blue jacket.
I wear a hat.
I wear shoes.
Perfect. Now, let's imagine we are in a store. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want a green shirt.
What size?
Medium, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. How much is it?
$10.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. That was perfect shopping English. Now, let's talk about weekend plan. Leo, what do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I rest, I clean my room, I play football.
Nice. Sometimes I go to the park or meet my friends.
I go to the park too. I like to walk there.
Great. Let's help our listeners with weekend vocabulary. Sleep, rest, play, cook, visit, travel, relax, walk.
Sleep, rest, play, cook, visit, travel, relax, walk.
Beautiful. Now let's practice questions. What do you do on weekends?
I play football.
Do you cook on weekends?
Yes, I cook rice.
Good. Do you visit friends?
Sometimes, yes.
Perfect. Now let's talk about polite words. Words that make us kind and nice. The most important are please, thank you, you're welcome, and sorry.
Please, thank you, you're welcome, sorry.
Great. Let's use them. Can I have some coffee, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was polite and nice. Now, if you make a mistake, what do you say?
Sorry.
Very good. And if someone says sorry, you can say, that's okay.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Nice.
Always remember to be polite. It makes every conversation better. Now, let's learn how to have friendly small talk. These are little conversations we say to be nice.
Oh, like when we meet someone.
Exactly. You can say, how are you? How's your day? It's a nice day. See you later.
How are you? How's your day? It's a nice day. See you later.
Great. Let's do a short, friendly chat. Hi, Leo. How's your day?
Hi, Ella. My day is good. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. It's a nice day today.
Yes, very sunny.
See you later.
See you.
Perfect small talk. Now, Leo, let's make a big practice. A normal day in English. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's tell a story. In the morning, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Then I eat breakfast. I drink tea and eat bread.
After that, I go to work.
I go to school.
I talk with my friends.
I study English.
At noon, I eat lunch.
I eat rice and drink water.
In the evening, I watch TV and relax.
I play football.
At night, I eat dinner and go to bed.
Me too.
Perfect. That's a full day using simple English. Wow, Leo, we learned so much today.
Yes, we did. Let's review.
Great idea. We learned greetings, hello, hi, good morning, good night.
We learned emotions: happy, sad, tired, angry, excited.
We learned work words: teacher, student, doctor, cook.
We learned daily actions: wake up, eat, work, sleep.
We talked about food and drinks: rice, bread, coffee, tea, pizza.
And shopping: shirt, shoes, hat, and colors like red and blue.
We also learned polite words: please, thank you, sorry.
And friendly chat: how are you? See you later.
Perfect. Now, dear listeners, it's your turn to practice. Try saying your morning routine in English. For example, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast.
And practice greetings with your friends. Say hi and how are you every day.
That's the best way to learn. Learning English is easy when you practice a little every day.
Yes, and remember, mistakes are okay. Just keep speaking.
Exactly. Thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you, everyone. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
See you next time for another fun English lesson.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.